everyone. Well, we've got Belle in the front seat. Belle! She's got her earphones on because she's playing a game, I think.
No, I'm watching.
Oh, you're watching. Papa, or Tony, should I say?
I'm getting the van ready.
He's getting the van ready.
Departure.
Archie's in his place.
Yeah.
He's ready to go. He's got all his harness on, look. And he's fastened in. So he's ready. And today, as you see, Belle's in my seat. I'm going in the car. We are off to the Nottingham Camping and Caravanning Club site. Never been before. It's not too far away from us. Probably 45 minutes, Tony?
45.
Yeah, 45 minutes. So I'm obviously following in the car because we've got Belle with us today and we only have 2 seat belted seats. So I'll be following. Anyway, we'll see you when we get there. I'm going to say bye, Belle.
Bye. So we are going to Nottingham Caravanning
In 2 miles,
Campervan Campsite.
2GZ on right.
Hold it steady.
And we're on our way now. Bit of crazy driving here, but Nanny is behind us, so Julie is behind us. We are officially now here at Nottingham Caravanning Campsite. That's Nanny.
Yeah. Yeah.
Welcome to Nottingham Caravan Club site. Papa, just be careful of this man.
This man, yeah.
First, we need to find our pitch. Second, we need to pack up, like, get everything ready. Well, okay, just waiting for this van to get crossed. And you can see there's just a little park there. Papa, remember, not jolty to run that lady over.
That's right, Belle.
Okay, look, there's the play area. Now you can see it properly. Right there, it's got a basketball net and the play area there.
This is the facilities block and we have got the Elson point just there and waste, and this one is the motorhome service point, so obviously when you're leaving you can run over this and empty the grey and fresh water, and there's a sink there to wash your hands, so that's good. There's the coffee shop just there. Those sunflowers. Wow. Just the facilities block. But there's the gents there and the ladies. this is the bike and boot wash.
So you've got muddy boots.
Yeah, rub your boots down there, look.
You'd scrape them off the side.
Yeah.
Like
That's
that.
it. And then
And if you were to want your bike to just stay here for a second while you go into the reception, you can just put it here.
yeah, look, somebody might wash it, might they, for you if you left it there.
Yeah.
That is the caravan storage yard. There's refuse just behind that fence. You've got the reception just there and half a tractor.
So you better raise that one.
And then this is the entrance just here. Or exit as well, should I say. Pretty flowers.
They're beautiful flowers.
Yeah, beautiful, aren't they, Belle? This is where the staff live along here. That's the reception just there. And the coffee shop. And now we're walking towards the entrance to the campsite. This is parking for visitors and coffee shop parking. So if you don't actually camp on here, you can actually come to the coffee shop. Here we have got the...
It used to be a pool.
What did it used to be?
It used to be a pool, but then they closed it down to fix it.
Well, I'm not sure they've closed it down to fix it. It became in disrepair, didn't it, Belle?
Yeah.
So you were a little bit disappointed, weren't you?
But there's no swimming
Well, there's no swimming pool. But never mind, we've found other things to do, haven't we? This road that the campsite is on is very, very busy. So you have to be very careful when you cross the road. Now, up these steps here, quite steep steps actually, are several little trails, aren't there?
He's doing well.
Archie's doing okay. Come on, Archie, up you go. Good boy.
The problem is he can't see where he's going because he's blind.
That's right. Belle's doing a very good job. It's a bit steep for him. A bit steep for Nanny, actually. You could actually bring your bikes up here, but it's quite steep. There is a trail here, but this has been closed off. And it's running over, I can see a road down there.
No railway bridge.
An old railway bridge is there. So we can't go that way, so we can only go this way. Well, let's see where it takes us. We'll just have a little walk down here. Give Archie a little walk, won't it?
Yeah.
Through the trees. I think that's the country park. There'll be people on bikes along here, Belle. And running people.
And also some walking people.
Yeah, we're walking people, aren't we,
Yeah.
today?
There's a running person.
Yeah, running person. Wow. Look at all the sunflowers, Belle.
They're beautiful, aren't they? This one's nearly as tall as me.
Yeah.
It's up to my tummy, my belly button. It's
Yep.
up to- that's
Look at
really
them all.
high.
The whole field.
It's full of beautiful sunflowers. Full
They're all facing the other way, aren't they?
down to the bottom.
This is where you have to stop when you arrive. Just here.
Yeah.
What are we having for tea tonight then, Tony?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Are we?
Yes. And we've got
It
my
looks quite nice.
bolognese sauce here.
Yeah,
Which
this was made at home,
is
wasn't
freshly
it?
prepared, yes.
At home, and then we brought it with us.
Yeah, we've got carrots, celery, mushrooms, and minced beef. And it was simmering at home for at least an hour and a half.
Right, looks good. And obviously we're having pasta with it.
Yes, or indeed.
Yummy. Are you making a good job, Belle? Smell good.
Wait, let me smell it.
Don't try it though, 'cause it'll be hot.
I know.
You'll burn yourself.
Yeah, it smells nice.
Jolly good.
Papa, the pasta's ready.
The finished meal.
Join us in the next episode as we visit Nottingham Castle and then take you on a trip to the National Water Sports Centre at Home Pierpont. So hype and subscribe to our channel. It is free. It's much appreciated.